want to make it. So we're making it on a card mat. You can see the design there. And the reason I've put the rectangle and attached it is so it will be in exactly the right place on the card. So by making the rectangle the size that the Joy will cut or draw on, it makes it work. Okay, so we want to hit continue. We'll connect the Joy, bring it over here. And just load the card mat. Okay, so we want to select insert cardstock, and it says load the gold metallic pen. To do this, just open the clamp here and remove the blade, and then with the pen just drop it into here and close the clamp, and then just give the card mat a little push to load it. And now we want to hit the go button. Okay, it now asks you to load the blade, because if you remember, we designed a rectangle to cut around the outside just so that we could get the text in the right position. So we do not want to load the blade, we just want to unload the mat. We're not using the cut feature on the inside of the card. Just pop the blade back so I don't lose it. And here we have what it's written. So it's written big birthday wishes in the middle of the card there. And then just lift that card up and pull it out. I'll just pop this insert in just so we can see what the card looks like. You can see to put the insert, all of the Joy insert cards, it cuts corners. It cuts 4 slots in the corner to slip your insert in. So we've got it's your birthday, and we've got big birthday wishes. So you can write, if it's to Fred, for example, you can put to Fred, big birthday wishes from Jeremy. I mean, you can do whatever you like. You don't need to use the images either. You can just use text and add your own text. Same to this bit here. You can add images or text to this part just by popping this on your normal mat. So I'll do that just to show you what I mean. This is the standard grip mat that came with the Cricut Joy machine in the box, and this is the insert for the card. So we can see here how it's 4 inches by 5¼ inches, and we can draw a design or text on this side as well. If I go to finish and just go back out of there, and I'll just go to a new project. I'm not going to save what I've just done. So I just have a new project here, and I'm just going to go to image and then search balloon. And these are the images coming up in Cricut Design Space when I put balloon. Okay, I might actually just put balloons, because I'm thinking maybe 2 or 3 balloons. This one actually. I'm going to select this one and put insert. I'll just click on that and select edit to see the size of them. They're 3 inches high, so that sounds fine. You can see they're cut, so I just want to go there and say, instead of cutting, please draw, and I'm going to draw with my gold marker, and then hit the tick there, and then I want to make it. I'm going to make it on a mat, and you can see it here. I could have done the same thing, adding the rectangle here to make sure they're in the right place, but I'm just going to move them. So if I click on the image, I can rotate the image because I need it to go into landscape. And I can see my cardboard goes down to 5 1/4. I'm thinking 2 balloons over here. So I'll put them maybe about there. And I want to hit continue. So I need to connect my Joy. And I'm just going to say insert cardstock, and it's telling me to load my gold pen. So once again with the gold pen, just drop it in and close the clamp, and then load the mat. And now I want to hit go. Okay, and that's the balloons drawn, so now I'll just hit unload. And here you can see what it's drawn with the gold metallic pen. It's just drawn these 2 balloons on there. So we'll just peel this off. Now I want to add the insert so that balloons show on this side. And now this is the birthday card. So we've got it's your birthday, and then when you open it you can see these nice gold balloons, and we've got big birthday wishes in metallic gold. So hopefully you can see from this tutorial that it is really straightforward to use these pre-designed cards using the Cricut Joy machine, and it's especially easy when you use the insert card packs which come with everything you need. Although I do love the flexibility of being able to use all of my scraps and cut an entire rainbow of cardboard to use as the inserts. I love that. There's a lot more you can do with the cards. You can design your own and you can embellish even further. I'd love to show you in the future designing your own card using the Cricut Joy, but hopefully with this you can see how much fun it is, how quick it is, and how easy it is just to customize your own cards, and you'll never need to purchase another card again. I know using your Cricut Explore or your Cricut Maker, you can make much fancier looking cards, but I just love these for the convenience of them, and they're absolutely perfect for children's birthday parties, etc. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and hopefully it's inspired you to get creating, particularly if you have a Cricut Joy. It's a wonderful little DIY machine, so please, if you have one, get it out and start card making today. Thanks so much for joining me, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!